Hi everyone, my name is Melody Furs and I will be your teaching assistant for EDSE 541. I'm really looking forward to working with you guys this semester. I have been a teacher of the visually impaired for the past 11 years, and I am currently a doctoral student within the special education program at the University of Northern Colorado. My area of interest are neurological or brain-based visual impairment and early childhood populations. So some of the research that I've done is looking at brain-based imaging and combining that information with functional vision evaluations and things that we do as teachers of the visually impaired to help other people understand our students' vision and how it works and the implications for education and challenges they might have. I also work for my family's tech startup based in Seattle, Washington, and we have an app called Novel Effect, and Novel Effect plays music and stories, sounds and sound effects and character voices to accompany children's books as you read them out loud. So it's a really cool tool to use with little ones with visual impairment because it gives them those extra audio components of stories to convey the illustrations, which is pretty cool. So I'll tell you guys more about that as we go on in the course. I'm also a mom to a 20-month-old little boy named Cormac, and I live in Washington State with Cormac and my husband and our little dog Katie. I absolutely love doing these courses with Dr. Correa Torres, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful experience and that you have a great start to the semester. I know it's hard to get back to school after a wonderful long summer, but really looking forward to working with you guys.